Hello everyone and welcome back to another Vicky's Likes video. Today's video is repotting this Jewel Orchid. Okay, this Jewel Orchid we got from Paradise Orchids, and if you haven't seen that video, it's very good. Jack, the owner of Paradise Orchids, is very knowledgeable, and so this is our latest acquisition. So I've been watching a few videos online, and Jack himself, they are terrestrials, okay? And towards the end of the video, I'll read you some information on this orchid. They suggest a shallow pot. So I found this pot is clay at Lowe's. So it's shallow, it's wide. I think it's perfect for her for now. And yes, so let's get to it, okay? So since they're terrestrials, I had some topsoil. So I added perlite. Well, first of all, let me put some peanuts. And if you're watching from another country, let us know what you call these, okay? We call them peanuts in the US, and since we moved, we had to use a lot of these. So this is nothing compared to what we had purchased. And I've been using some on my repotting. Jack suggested that I use this to make the pots lighter and help with drainage. So that's what I've been doing. And I think that's good enough. So we have the peanuts in there. And now I'm gonna add the topsoil with perlite. And don't ask me the percentage, okay? Because I really didn't measure the rate or the amount of perlite, okay? I know that there's a lot in there. All right. I also have some orchid mix. I read some places that is good to put some orchid mix. So this is what I buy, and they sell them at Home Depot, Lowe's. Sometimes I buy mixes from Paradise Orchids. But this one is the one I'm going to use today, and I'm going to mix it in. These peanuts always want to come up jumping at you. Okay. I'm gonna add some more soil. All right, it's time for my glasses. I'm gonna take this girl out of here. This one looks pretty healthy. I don't know if you can tell. And who knows, I'll probably take clipping. I had to make a label. And like we mentioned in other videos, we started making labels for many of our plants because we lost them in the process of moving and throughout the years. Looks pretty good. Look at that root right there. And I think he had pretty much the same mix as I do. It rained so much last night. This is super wet, probably too wet. All right, so look, this one just came up by herself, so I think she's screaming like, yeah, separate me, I want to leave alone. I'll put it aside. I'm gonna put some more orchid mix. Oops, another one. Okay, hopefully they'll be happy here. So there you have it. I think, you know, should I put more dirt? I'm gonna put more dirt up here also. And this dirt, once you water, is gonna seep through the orchid mix. All right. We'll find a small pot for these two babies. All right, so I found this. I don't know if it has too much sphagnum moss, I'll take some out. I have some clay pebbles in there too. So then I'll put them in here and see. I'm going to put some topsoil too. I see a little root right there. I'll just leave her hanging there. They like to just grow and hang over the pot. And I'll put some orchid mix on the top here. And that is that. What do you think? So I'll check on the progress and I'll let you know. Ludisia is a genus of orchids that was thought to contain just one species, Ludisia discolor, commonly referred to as Jewel Orchid. A second species, Ludisia ravani, from the Philippines was described in 2013. Ludisia discolor is native to southern China, northeast India, Thailand, Vietnam, the Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Myanmar. They are terrestrial orchids that in their natural setting would be found growing on the forest floor. They are known for their foliage, which is often velvety deep maroon with red veins that run parallel to the center of the leaf. Flowers are white with twisting yellow columns. Individual flowers are small but grow in clusters of upright stalks. Okay, so this baby is ready to be put away here in our beautiful greenhouse. And I just have to find a spot. I think I'm going to put it right here, a little bit more there, okay? And I guess it's going to mimic more their natural environment. And then I'll water some. Right there it is. What do you all think? Let me know in the comments. Is that a good place for them? Like with any plant, you have to monitor. Well, I monitor my plants every single day. But, you know, you have to see if they're happy or not, okay? All right, people, this is the end of this video. I'm sure you liked the video. We enjoy the videos on orchids. Watch all the other videos of orchids, orchid places, how to grow them, when we buy them, repotting. We are also doing bonsais. I haven't come out with any of them, but watch those videos too. Thank you again, and we'll see you on another video in Vicky's Likes. Hmm.